30 June abahambe. But before siqala malume sengidlile uphuthu ungangithumi lona. Africa, a beautiful continent, South Africa, the only place where the government only cares about ihemce and not abantu. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. Abahambe angeke bahambe. Why? Because there is something called the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Its only job is to protect our refugees. Kanjani, they provide illegal assistance, refugees documentations, child protection, education support, nako konke lokho. Their only job is to make sure that our refugees agcwale South Africa. Omunye umuntu uzothi zero unamanga. There is no such thing as an organization eyenza sure ukuthi i-country igcwala ama-foreigner so that i-GDP ngeke inyuke, umnotho we-country uzohlezi uphansi. Well, there is. Let's follow the money. Understand ukuthi i-UNHCR ngo-2025 it offered i-South Africa imali engango-33 million. Understand ukuthi in rands leyo mali amounted to 600 to 630 million. And leyo mali was allocated ukwenza sure that they protect our refugees. Ngo-2021, UNHCR, in collaboration, in partnership with the Home Affairs, they pledged ukuthi bazonika South Africa 9.6 million. That is about 270 to 180 million. All they want is that South Africa should open their borders for our refugees. They benefit from ukuthi South Africa ibe unstable. Umnotho, wealth yase South Africa does not need to rise because that will be dangerous for them. Understand ukuthi they contribute ekutheni ukuthi iSouth Africa ivula ama-borders. Kukhona imali ekhishwayo to make sure that ama-borders ayavulwa, ama-refugees ayangena so that ngeke siphazamise umsebenzi. According to the documents aphuma when South Africa received funding, the average funding per refugee is 48,000, and a family of 4 yama refugee is supposed to receive 192,000 per year ngonyaka. That means South Africa refugee iyodwa is cost 131 rands, and per month kumele ngabe bathola 4,000 rands according to the documents, because imali yangena. Hlakanipha mntomnyama and think about it. Why uRamaphosa engafuni bahambe? Why is every single politician against the idea ukuthi kumele bahambe? Befuna wena ube second class citizen, because uma behamba khona imali engeke isangena, and once le mali engeke isangena sesiphazamisa umsebenzi. Understand, let's follow the money, because imali ayiwaqamba manga. Refugee allocation 139.2 billion, migrants integration 25.3 billion, emergency support 6.5 billion, border security 4.7 billion, housing programs 8.9 billion, housing programs South Africa. Imagine. Understand ukuthi healthcare support 7.6 billion, education support 5.4 billion, food security 4.1 billion, administration 2.8 billion, digital systems 1.4 billion, and the climate local 5.9 billion. In total, in South Africa, we receive an amount of 229.8 billion per year for housing our refugees. And all we have to do as a South Africa is make sure it's vulama border bangene, and then we create 242,000 jobs for bona. Imsebenzi kwi construction engango 790,000, kwi healthcare engango 41,000, kwi education engango 37,000, kwi administrations engango 33,000, and kwi security engango 52,000. We promised ukuthi mangena le mali le msebenzi kumele ivuleke, and ivuleka for ba, not for South Africans, for bona. If they leave, imali yahamba. So this time it's abantu versus ama politicians. Who's gonna win? Because ama politicians are trying to protect imali and abantu are trying to protect South Africa. Nobody knows.